Empowering strategies, overcoming gaslighting and reclaiming your reality, insights from psychology. Overcoming gaslighting can be a challenging process, but with the right strategies and support, it is possible to regain your sense of self and rebuild your confidence. Here are some steps to consider based on psychological principles. Recognize and validate your experience. Recognize that you are being lied to and accept that your feelings and experiences are valid. Allow yourself to question the gaslighter's depiction of reality and trust your intuition. Educate yourself. Research gaslighting and its deceptive techniques. Understanding how gaslighters operate will assist you in seeing through their deception and regaining clarity. Seek support. Turn to trusted friends, family members, or support groups for validation, understanding, and a safe space to express your experiences. Maintaining perspective and challenging the gaslighters' narratives can be aided by having a support network. Establish boundaries. Use the gaslighter to draw clear boundaries. Communicate your demands and expectations clearly, and be prepared to enforce them if they are broken. This communicates that you will not tolerate manipulation. Document your experiences. Keep a notebook or keep a record of events where you have been gaslighted. Documenting instances of manipulation can help you maintain objectivity and give evidence if necessary in the future. Practice self-care. Participate in activities that encourage self-care, self-compassion, and emotional well-being. Engaging in hobbies, getting therapy or counseling, practicing mindfulness, and prioritizing your physical and mental health are all examples. Build self-esteem and self-confidence. Work on improving your self-esteem by recognizing your own talents and achievements. Negative self-talk should be challenged and replaced with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with positive people who will raise you up and support you. Question and challenge narratives of gaslighting. When the gaslighter attempts to manipulate or distort reality, challenge their allegations calmly and assertively. Seek evidence, rely on outside opinions, and believe in your own judgment. Limit contact or end the relationship. If the gaslighting behavior continues and has a negative impact on your well-being, think about restricting contact with the gaslighter or ending the connection entirely. Your mental health and safety must be prioritized. Seek professional help. If gaslighting has had a significant impact on your mental health, or if you are having difficulty overcoming the consequences on your own, considering therapy or counseling. A mental health professional can offer advice, support, and tools for recovery. Remember that getting over gaslighting takes time and healing. Be kind with yourself and surround yourself with helpful people who can assist you in navigating the process.